Have you ever pondered over what RDP is? Some may think of it as a complex tech term, but in reality, it's a simple concept that plays a crucial role in our digital lives. ERDP, or Remote Desktop Protocol, is an underappreciated hero in the realm of technology. Imagine sitting at your computer, but being able to access and control another computer miles away, as if it were right in front of you. That, in essence, is what RDP does. It's like a virtual bridge, enabling you to cross geographical barriers and interact with a remote system just as you would with your own. Developed by Microsoft, RDP uses a series of channels to send and receive data. These channels transport everything from mouse clicks and keyboard inputs to screen updates and printer data. It's akin to being a puppet master, pulling the strings from afar and watching as the puppet, or in this case, the remote computer, responds to your commands. But why does RDP matter? In the age of remote work and global collaboration, RDP is a vital tool. It empowers you to access your work computer from home, troubleshoot a friend's computer issues without leaving your couch, and even manage servers located in different parts of the world. It brings the world closer, making distances virtually non-existent. However, just like a powerful tool, RDP must be used responsibly. Without proper security measures, it could become a gateway for unauthorized access and cyber threats. Therefore, always ensure to use strong passwords, enable network-level authentication, and keep your systems updated. To summarize, RDP is a powerful protocol that allows you to interact with and control a remote computer as if you were sitting right in front of it. It is an indispensable tool in today's digital world, but it also calls for responsible use and robust security measures. So the next time you remotely log into another computer, remember, it's the magic of RDP at work.